Pule, good morning to you. Talk to us as court also is about to get underway where you are. What are we looking at?
Yes, our court proceedings will get underway any time from now. We had seen, of course, SAFA boss Danny Jordaan with some of his legal team members as well. We also did see the state prosecutor who's part of this case. But we understand that the National Prosecuting Authority, of course, the state, will present a case today arguing why this matter should formally proceed for trial. However, we know that the defense, of course, representing Mr. Jordaan, had previously said that there's still an ongoing case at the Gauteng North High Court in Tshwane, in which they're arguing that the arrest or the raid by the Hawks was illegal. So they were saying, pending the outcome of that case, this matter shouldn't even go or proceed for trial. Hence, previously they were arguing that it be struck off the roll, but they were unsuccessful as well. We also do know that the state had also argued previously that the lawyer representing Mr. Jordaan be recused from the proceedings, as he's already represented SAFA before, and this time around SAFA was a complainant on the application as well, which is before the Palm Ridge courts as well. So it will be a quite brief proceedings this morning. We're expecting the state to begin and kickstart their arguments explaining why this matter should be ready for trial, because they've said previously that they have a formidable case, a watertight case, which they can use to ensure that they hold Mr. Jordaan to account and, of course, successfully prosecute him. But we know that that will not go without a fight. There will be some sort of pushback from the legal representatives representing Mr. Jordaan, who've previously said that he's done nothing wrong. There's been reasonable delay in this particular case, and they're still arguing the validity and the kind of process that was followed to have the Hawks raid his officers and eventually arrest him. That's one side of the story. Second part, of course, is the division that's currently ensuing at the South African Football Association. We do know that there are those within that NEC, that board, that leadership at SAFA that makes quite crucial decisions, who are for the staying of Mr. Jordaan, who is saying that he's done nothing wrong, while there are also others who are saying that he should be charged. In fact, they want to discuss at the next NEC meeting in February to say that he should be held to account, that he should step aside because he's been formally charged and he's facing serious charges of fraud and corruption.
Right, thank you so much. We'll touch base with Pule Letshwiti-Jones again a little bit later, and we hope to take some of that court case live for you here as well. That's Pule with just a quick update there. Akash, help us understand the bigger picture here in this court case. What's the big story behind it all?
Well, it's essentially the story of a big man now being held to account, now being questioned about certain things that happened. There's absolutely no guarantee that the charges that have been brought against him are factual. There's no guarantee that he'll be found guilty. But it's the principle here that, and this is perhaps one of the reasons why at eNCA we love covering court cases, because it allows ordinary members of society to realize that we are all equal before the law.